It's the RAM Man. Hey guys, what's going on? In this video we have an i5-3570K that's not overclocked. That's to simulate a non-K edition CPU. I had some issues on this motherboard overclocking. The BIOS had some issues, so I decided not to overclock and we're just going to use the CPU at stock settings like it's a regular 3570. I had some issues fitting an Evo 212 cooler in this case, so I swapped it out for a much cheaper Thermaltake Gravity i2. The performance was pretty good, and I recommend this model for slim form factors. Even though this case lacks some basic features, it's not that bad for its size, and it blends in nicely next to console systems. I also had some issues with the RX 470. It must have been flashed with the mining BIOS. Luckily this is an easy fix, and I'll post instructions in the description below along with the links for the correct BIOS. Overall, this build performed very well, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.